Are you struggling with knee pain? So if you're struggling with knee pain, I have something to help you. The Cleveland Clinic says that it's super important to use gentle stretches to stretch the muscles that support your joints if you're having any kind of joint pain. So today I'm going to show you one simple yoga pose which you can use to stretch the muscles of your thighs, your quads. So this is not only a yoga pose, but it really works to stretch the quads and to help to relieve your knee pain. So all you're gonna do is maybe hold on to something. I have a wall here, so I'm gonna hold on to my wall, and you're going to bend one foot and hold on to it with your hand. So maybe hold on to your ankle, your foot. If you can't reach, you could use a strap or something to help you. And then you're just gonna stay here. Stay here for a few breaths. So you want to see if you can bring the knees together. If this knee is super far forward, just work on bringing it back towards the other knee. And you're going to feel, maybe you're going to feel a super intense stretch somewhere along the front of your thighs if your calves are tight like mine are super tight. So I feel this pretty intensely. You want to stay here for maybe 3 to 5 breaths. Or you can work up to maybe 10 breaths or a minute. But I think in most cases, 5 breaths or 30 seconds is good enough. So you're just going to hold it, breathe, keep the core engaged. Maybe it starts to lessen up, the intensity starts to decrease, and then you can release that foot. And then just notice the difference between both legs. I definitely feel a difference between the foot I stretched and the foot I didn't. So I'm going to do the other side. So same thing again, you want to hold on to something, reach back for your foot or your ankle, bring it towards your butt, see if you can bring the knees more or less in line. Staying here again, anywhere from 1 to 10 breaths. I think the sweet spot is usually about 30 seconds, so 5 breaths, breathing into it. Again, you shouldn't be feeling any pain, just a nice gentle stretch somewhere along the front of your thighs. Jen, if you feel any pain in the knees, please modify it, don't do it. You don't want to be feeling any sharp pain in the knees. So just hanging out here for a few more breaths. And then release, maybe shake it out. And hopefully your legs are feeling a little bit better, your knees are feeling a little bit better, and mine are feeling better already. So if you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe for more tips on how to strengthen and stretch your joints and so relieve joint pain. Hope this helped.